Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit detail views in Revit. Add detailed views. Step 1. Click Callout from View tab, under Create panel. Step 2. Draw the boundary of a view on your floor plan. Then Level 2 callout will be automatically created under Floor Plans. Rename the view to Level 2, Restrooms. If needed, update the scale. Step 3. Create an elevation view and a section view on the detail view. Add details. Update scales. Hide elevation symbol on Level 2 floor plan. Hide section symbol on Level 2. Step 4. Add the detail views to the sheet A701 Restroom 1. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add and edit detail views in Revit. Thank you.